Introduce highlight features or overview summary of STUDIOFINIX Ultra Slim 5.25-inch 240-watt wall mount speakers. There are features include premium acoustic performance and stable power output. Our STUDIOFINIX home theater speakers deliver 80 watt RMS, 2x 40 watt, continuous power and up to 240 watt, 2x 120 watt, peak power. Paired with 8 ohm impedance and 89 plus end, or minus 3 decibels sensitivity for crystal clear, distortion-free sound reproduction. Boasting a frequency response range of 200 Hz to 20 kHz, these speakers accurately reproduce rich mid-range and crisp treble, delivering an immersive surround sound experience for your home audio system. Ultra-slim space-saving design, seamless home decor integration. Our wall-mounted home theater speakers feature an ultra-slim 1.57-inch profile. With hidden mounting brackets and built-in cable management, installation is as easy as hanging a picture. Perfect for home theater, industrial and modern decor, they blend flawlessly with dark, gray, black walls in living rooms and media rooms, keeping your space neat. Hassle-free installation. Engineered for effortless, user-friendly setup, these speakers can be easily wall-mounted using only a standard 6 mm diameter mounting fastener, no complex professional tools required. The package comes with matching dedicated speaker wires for out-of-the-box direct connection, so even first-time users can finish the full installation in just minutes. Durable scratch-resistant molded ABS construction. Crafted from high-quality molded ABS material, these speakers are lightweight yet extremely durable, scratch-resistant, and wearproof, ensuring long-lasting, reliable performance for all indoor home audio applications. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.